Pompong fires, no hood. Rebound by Solis. Solis to Maralet. Maralet being guarded by Nabasa. Maralet fires, good for two. Pompong on a running dribble. Being guarded by Balba. Pompong. Pompong to number 31. Still by Maralet. Maralet to Balba. Still by Santa Ines. Santa Ines. Against Cervantes. Inside pass. Inbound by Solis to Balba.
Ay, wala pa balit.
Balba against number
Mag-isa na
31.
pa balit. Oo nga. Malakasan na lang yan ng resistensya. Ay! Ay!
Santa Ines. Santa Ines to Pompong.
Ay! Ana, bayaran mo kami. Shot!
Solis.
Shot!
Good for two. Manasan.
Iwanan niya ni
Manasan. Against Balba. To Santa Ines. Santa Ines against Balba. Santa Ines. Pass to number 9.
Yes!
Intercepted by Balba. To Maralet. Maralet. Lays up. Good for two. 8-2 ang score natin in favor of Pepe. Santa Ines. Against Maralet. Santa Ines lays up. Good for two. Solis. To Balba.
Sabi nga ni Justin, forma, pag-forma.
Balba. On a running dribble. Balba against Santa Ines. Santa Ines. Cervantes.
Shot!
No good.
Wala!
Number 31. Mabasan. Mabasan to Pompong to Rodriguez.
Ba't yung asawa ni Sandra wala?
Rodriguez to Santa Ines.
Cruz.
15 seconds shot clock. To Pompong. Pompong fires. Good for two.
Bernard, ang pangalan.
Inbound by Cruz to Solis. Solis. Jumble between by Solis and Pompong. Jumble between by Ampong and Solis. Cervantes fires. No good. Rebound by Solis. No good. Number 11. Rodriguez. Solis. First attempt. Good.
Hindi kasama asawa niya.
Second attempt, no good. Rebound by Ampong. Ampong on a running dribble, being guarded by Balba. So Santa Ines, Santa Ines. A traveling violation by Santa Ines.
Ano, patakpakan natin?
Solis to Balba. Balba against Santa Ines. Solis to Cervantes inside pass to Maralet. Maralet lays up. Good for two. 13-6 ang score po natin in favor of Pepe. Manasan. Being guarded by Solis. Manasan lays up. No good. Rebound by Cruz. Maralet. Maralet to Solis. Cervantes against Rodriguez. Fires. No good. Rebound by number 9.
Masakit yung
Ampong.
Tinira siya sa sungod.
Ampong against Balba. Ampong. Last touch by number 9.
Tinira siya eh. Sa sungod. Tinanong siya.
Ralet. Balba. Balba bate Solis. Solis fires. Good for 2 by Solis. Rodriguez. Being guarded by Balba. Manasan. Manasan against Balba. Manasan. Manasan to Ampong. Ampong lays up. No good. Rebound by Solis. Solis to Morales.
May laro pala kayo last game? July 6? Ah, wala pala. Oo, meron po yun.
Lakers.
Ano, Lakers? Oo. Wala. Kaya pala po yun, 9. Nanalo kasi dito. 9 na lang.
Orange ball, example. Number 5 to number 6. Ampong. Looking for receiver to number 5 again. Inside pass. Reverse layup by number 9. Good for 2. Number 1 on the dribble, Balba. Pass to Maralit. Maralit first. Rebound by Cruz. Rejected by number 6. Cruz to Solis to Balba. Back to Solis again. It's a sample ball. Score is 17-8 in favor of the man. Butchon Knight. Rodriguez. Blocked by number 21 Cervantes. Balba. Balba, he gonna lace up. Yes. Out.
Joy!
Follow up by Maralit.
Naku ha? Hindi mo.
Ampong. 7 minutes and 26 seconds in the first half. Number 5. Number 1. Balba first.
Ay!
Short. Loss. Wala pa rin.
Wala, pinagot kasi.
Number 6. Ampong. He's gonna force for 2.
Pass to number 5 again.
Itlog.
It's a 3